I am Mr. Lima. Today's video I'm gonna be unboxing something very important that I recommend all of you should have. Let's get to it. This right here is a back protector. Every motorcyclist should have one of these. There are different sizes. I am 6'3". And this was the size for me on the website. Very easy to use. Here it is. So if you do fall, it doesn't bend backwards that much, but it's very flexible, so you'll be very comfortable in it. You can wear this with your racing suit, casual, everything. So this is the main, and then you just tighten it even more. Doesn't need to be too tight. And that's how it protects it. It's right above my butt cheeks. Nice and safe. That's pretty much it. Very easy to take. Put it on, take it in and out. Very easy to take it out, put it on. Very nice. Huge shout out to Dainese for keeping us protected on the streets and the track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and check out my YouTube channel.